Is it good? Hey guys, welcome. We're back. I'm Mike. This is...
Yes.
And we're actually here via the comment section because we got a request to make something keto, something chocolate, something with orange in it. Yaz over here was cool enough to spend thousands of hours researching and developing this exquisite dish. So what are we going to make today?
We are going to make a chocolate mug cake in the microwave that is super fast because it takes less than 60 seconds.
And that's all I got time for. That's all anyone
Yeah.
has time for these days.
Oh my god, my first attempt. It was terrible. I finally land on the promised recipe that is like yummy, puffy, not wet, not stink, and keto.
All right, yeah, so how do we get started?
Have your ramekin ready and put your butter inside it. So that's 2 tablespoons of like salted butter, and if you want to use unsalted one, that's absolutely okay. Just make sure that you later add a pinch of salt according to your taste. And I will microwave it for like maybe 15 seconds till it is get melted. Our butter is fully melted, and once I'm done with melting, I will just like try to grease around my ramekin. I will also add my sweetener. A good keto-friendly sweetener is erythritol, or you can use stevia, but we find erythritol very good for baking, and we need about 1.5 tablespoons for this recipe. I will add it inside and I will try to mix it a little bit with my butter. And I will also break my egg here and I will try to mix my egg inside as well. The next wet ingredient that we will use is pure vanilla extract. And we need a pinch of it.
Can you pinch vanilla extract?
What do we call it if we just like
A splash?
splash? Oh yeah, a splash of vanilla would be enough. But since I am in favor of having control in this stuff, I will go 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. We will mix that in. And we are done with our wet ingredients. For dry ingredients, we are going to use a combination of almond flour and coconut flour. After many trial and error, I realized that if I use solely almond, it gets sticky somehow. And if I use solely coconut, it will get sticky. But when I mix them together, it's just like that they are speaking different language, so they are not become as mushy and as sticky, and the texture in total would be better. In my recipe today, I will use 2 tablespoons of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of like coconut flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's the Dutch processed version. So after adding all my dry ingredients together and mixing them together, I will add them little by little to my wet ingredients and I will mix them in chunks. And the reason I'm doing that is to avoid getting lumps in the middle. Try to mix it really well. And you can add the second round, so you can just like mix them all at once too, but I figure out this is the best way to not get lump by adding little by little and mixing them.
How many trial batches did you have to make?
5 or 6 in total.
How many of those did you eat?
All of them. One thing I found helpful making this like mug cake more puffier is just like to add a little bit of water. It's just like a 1/2 tablespoon.
How close to like regular flour did you get this recipe to?
I think it will get somehow really close. So at this stage, what we will do is to scoop 1 tablespoon out from the middle, exactly like this. Please hold it. Oh, don't eat it. Don't never eat raw batter. So I will scoop in 1 tablespoon of sugar-free orange marmalade. In Farsi, it's marmalade.
Marmalade.
And after you do this, we will scoop this back, and then I will try to smooth it out as much as I can and cover the orange part. When the orange filling is fully covered, you can put it in the microwave. In my microwave, I figure out it works best when I baked it for 70 seconds. But it depends on your microwave. So I think most recipes, they are calling for 60 seconds. Dries so well.
So it only took 60 seconds and it'll be gone in 60 seconds too. Can I eat now?
No, we want to top it with a little bit of orange zest and maybe some whipped cream. Use some heavy cream to whip it and maybe add some like red color to make a little bit of red topping.
Ah, hit the mark for Valentine's Day, right?
Yes. That's the red color. Okay, so we will add a little bit of granulated stevia. Oh, should I just?
Oh, wait a minute. I didn't know we were doing that. You want one?
Yeah. I'll top it with a little bit of orange zest. Maybe a little bit of dark chocolate shaving. So I'm going to use like 100% dark chocolate. And perfect. Ta-da! And we are done. You want to eat?
Yeah? This is the only reason why I'm here today.
Okay. You will get this one.
Why do I get the baby spoon?
Because I don't want you to eat a lot. I want to have bigger share.
I hate you.
Yeah, I know. So let's try this, the exciting part. Just look at the texture. It's good.
That's pretty spot on for like almond and coconut flour.
Yes.
Like the texture.
The texture, I told you.
Yeah. I will be making this recipe myself at home, probably alone on Valentine's Day. I mean, tears.
If you are alone, you can get a cat.
I'm allergic.
Really?
Yes. No, no! This is assault with a deadly weapon. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you have any other suggestions, please let us know. As always, like and subscribe. This is Yaz and Lucy. Michael here. Thank you guys very much. Can we just eat now?
Yes, you. Go ahead. Go. No, go ahead.
Are you serious? Why don't you do an intro first?
Hello, babies.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Now it's your turn to do the intro. This is my strategy to do a shitty one.
Did you match your lipstick with your turtleneck?
Yes, because it's Valentine and I wanted to do my nails.
Can you believe I used to wear nail polish?
Black nail polish? Did you do eyeliner as well?
No.
Oh, we should try that on you. Let me do a makeup on you.
No. Pass.
How's your feeling about like Valentine approaching and you didn't find a chick to date?
I didn't find a chick. I think the problem was I did find some chicks and it just made me want to be single again.
Okay.